and welcome to Sprinkles and Magic with me, Abeer. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer. There are so many quick drinks you can make with lemons. तो आज मैं आपको ऐसी ड्रिंक बनाना सिखाऊंगी जिससे लगेगा कि आप एक प्रोफेशनल शेफ हैं। आज हम पिंक लेमनेड बनाना सीखेंगे। तो चलें फिर। पिंक लेमनेड को बनाने के लिए हमें ये चीजें चाहिए। 1 glass water, a slice of lemon, a cocktail umbrella, 1 teaspoon sugar, strawberry pulp and 2 teaspoons lemonade powder. तैयार हैं? Let's go. Combine the water, lemonade powder, sugar and strawberry pulp in a bowl. Now close the jar tightly and shake it. Pour the lemonade into a glass. Now we put the lemon and the cocktail umbrella. Ta-da! And we're all done. Pink lemonade, Sprinkles and Magic style is ready. Enjoy. Here's an interesting food fact for you. Pink lemonade was first made by Henry Allott in New York. Henry ran away with a circus when he was 15 years old and sold lemonade. He was mixing lemonade one day and out popped the cinnamon candies. The lemonade sold very well, so he kept making it. But whatever the real story is, it is a fact that lemon drinks are very refreshing. Try making some pink lemonade and let me know how you did. Make sure to enjoy yourself, and until next time, this is Abeer. Bye!
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.